front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connected Devices. Now you need to choose Connection Preferences, click on Printing, and tap on Default Print Service. After that, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher and click on the back button. Now click on Add Service and install the best one for your printer. I will go with HP Print Service plugin. When your app is ready, click on the back button twice. Now just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!